In this video, I'm going to go over some basic tricks with Excel for things like adding lines in and adding, duplicating. So we're just going to start with this basic task that we've already looked at, but today we're going to have a look at how we can copy it and how we can insert some lines. So one of the tasks that you do further on, we've got our cash flow statements here, and we're like, oh, okay, we're looking at all of these, and they've actually sold an old hairdryer, sold some old equipment, and so we need to add a line in. We click on where we want to add the line, and then you can right click or control click, and you can just go down to insert sheet rows, click, and that's given us, once it happens, will give us a new row. It didn't work. Control, insert sheet rows. There we go, so we've got another row. Now what we need to do, we need to check, so if we just put in here furniture sales, and we'll say that they got $400 from their furniture sales. Now we need to check, did our formulas change? So have a look in here. Because we've extended the spreadsheet, it's automatically added an extra line that needs to be included in the sum. So that was nice and easy. That's how you can put in an extra line. In the work that you're doing, most of it, it's asking for you to highlight the cell. So you've got two options. You can just highlight the bit that you've done, so just click that there and then click the fill color, and it will fill it with the yellow highlighter or whatever color you've got. If you click on that drop down menu, it gives you lots of colors to choose from, and you can even go onto the color wheel and pick your own, whatever color you like. Okay, the next task, some of them will ask you to duplicate it so you can make some changes. So if you want to duplicate the whole spreadsheet, you go down to the tab. If you have a look here, we've got some tabs here from the tasks that were given to you to practice for your intro. But if you right click or control click on a Mac, you can go down here. You've got some options. You can insert a new sheet, delete what you've got. Please don't do that. And we can duplicate. So I made another one, and that's hairdresser 2. So I don't actually want it to be called hairdresser 2. I'm going to call it, I'm going to right click and I can rename it, and I'm going to change that to hairdresser furniture sales. I better spell sales right, hadn't I? And then just click OK, and now I've got two spreadsheets that's duplicated it, so I can go in here and I can go, oh, okay, what would happen to my spreadsheet if they sold $1,000 worth of furniture? How much money does that leave them with? And so you can play around with it, and then you can go back and you can compare it with the previous scenario. So in some of the exercises you'll be given, you'll have to do that to make a new sheet so you can compare it. I hope that helps. Thank you.